How to delete files from desktop on your macOS. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be learning how we can delete files from desktop on macOS, so make sure to stick with me till the end. If you have a certain file, right, and you select it, now if you were on Windows, what would happen is that you would right click on it and then you would select the option called delete, or you would press the delete button on your keyboard. But as you can see, even if I press the delete button on the keyboard, this file is not deleting. So in order to delete this file, first of all, locate the trash icon from the bottom of the toolbar, right? So which looks like this dustbin icon. When you hover over it, it will say the name called trash. Now what we have to do is we just need to press our mouse once, double click and drag it down to that particular icon. So as soon as you press that, you need to simply hover this over like this, and once you hover this over towards the trash icon, this particular video or the file will get deleted. So here you can just drag it to the trash icon, and be careful because Apple will not ask you for a confirmation, unlike Windows where it asks you to delete something. But this is the way you go ahead and then delete something from your macOS desktop interface. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.